How to build a drag mat. Drag mats are used on lawns after they have been freshly sowed or partly reseeded to make them less patchy. They improve the contact between seed and soil, which provides healthier and more successful new growth. Industrial drag mats and harrows are pulled behind tractors, but a smaller version, simply made from chain link fence, can be pulled by hand or by a ride-on mower. Things you'll need: 5-foot square section of chain link fence, 5-foot galvanized angle fence post, fencing wire, fencing pliers, 10-foot rope. Making a chain link drag mat. Lay the chain link fence section on a flat surface. Weave the fence post through the top row of holes in the chain link, so that it is going under a link, then over the next link. Cut 6 2-inch lengths of fencing wire, using the wire cutting section of the fencing pliers. Thread a piece of wire through the end hole in the fence post around the piece of chain link fence nearest to it. Twist the two ends together by holding them in the pliers and turning them a few times. Repeat step 3 at the far end, and at 1-foot intervals along the fence post. The post should be tied to the chain link by the wire in 6 places. Tie one end of rope to the fence post 1 foot from the right end. Tie the other end of the rope to the fence post 1 foot from the left end.